as well as cleaning processes, the service level across different campuses. So there's quite a fair bit of complexity there, and they wanted to reduce actually the current manual process of going physically, right? Going to take a look, do this visual check, what's the score going to be like, and tabulate the KPI scores. And all this actually leads to delays in performance evaluation as well as payment.
One-stop solution called the GSIMS, right? So not only able to help you take in for information from your facilities, but also from your cleaning, from your security point of view as well, right? So we have a quick station here. Later, feel free to run through some of the demo videos, but I'll just briefly run through what we can do. So picture yourself at a command center. Alright, at HQ, you are able to have all this said information at your fingertips. The cleanliness of the facility, right? The security of your facility, as well as things like the different periodic maintenance done. What is the level? When is the next time? What is the next period for maintenance to be done? All this can be at your fingertips when you are sitting at your HQ level itself. So I mean, this itself, we are also covering a bit more into the security space with the enablement from the virtual petrol system itself. Right. So on this system, it is as if you have your security guard on ground walking, right, doing the actual clocking itself. But in this case, it's used through the help of the cameras itself, whereby all the areas of interest, you are able to do a screenshot, you are able to send through urgent messages to notify your relevant parties to get them to see to the issue. Right? And also understand that in today's time and building, right, most of the buildings, in fact 80% of the buildings already have existing cameras or CCTV in place. So we have this added solution powered through virtual analytics, video analytics itself, right? Through AI, we are able to help you, control and have all this video analytics done through on edge itself. Meaning to say, with the existing cameras, you are able to run through the footage, and then it is able to pick up all the different faults. For example, smoke detector, you are able to do your counting, right? So this we are able to show through, from the monitoring systems itself, right? So we are able to run through some, even for the fire safety football tracking as mentioned. So on this itself, I'll run through a quick bit more.
Is active tracking visitor usage in real time.
So all this will be fed back to the web page itself, and having all the data at your fingertips. From there, you are able to run through various analytics to have a more sound decision making in the long run itself.
How do you track how do you track the
okay, so it's through the football sensor, right? So two ways. One is by the football counter. The other one is, as mentioned, through the VA by camera, with the built-in VA to do the counting itself. Right.
So the football sensor is like
usually will be above ground. Yeah, on the ceiling or above ground mounted, then it will be able to track the football in this area itself.
Powered by 5G.
Correct. So all this will be notified through our in-house platform Amplify. Right. So there isn't a subscription or what per se like WhatsApp or what. No. It's powered through internet itself also. Right. So one added feature while we are doing this virtual control, we call it okay, we can power it through our robot here, through our partner. Right. So with this robot going around, you are able to bring these cameras on the go. Meaning to say now I want to explore maybe the car park area that is maybe quite distant away from my new building. I'm able to send through my robot, and then with that I'm able to tap through on the camera through the robot itself. Right. So in fact you can see this very robot footage here. It's showing a live view. So we are able to tap through this camera and do the state video analytics.
And what is it
Conditions restored. The cameras doing a 360 view of the robot. So if cameras are above, there's 6 cameras on each side, or 1 on each side. So this will be able to capture the images. You can see over here, you can pan the image, so you can see all around the robot. I think for this location, Pixel itself, it's able to patrol both indoors and outdoors, all the way to the edge of the Pixel, the area, the Pixel office. So I think for distance-wise, there's not really limited distance. As long as there's Wi-Fi, you'll be able to talk. Before we travel to the location, we'll have to do a mapping of the area first to get a localized map on the robot. Afterwards, you'll be able to travel back to the same location anytime you want, as long as there's internet connection.
Is this more ideal for location which is generally wider rather than different?
So I think there are different.
I see that the blue was huge.
Yeah, that is true. But I think for this robot itself, there are a few different safety modes. So depending on where you want it to go, the safety bubble can be bigger or smaller. So actually, it's able to navigate very tight spaces, like the corridors, and even the ramp down on the way out from this exit. So later when you pass by, you all will be able to see how narrow it can actually go. So even a narrow corridor like that, you will be able to travel around perfectly safe. It also has features to avoid people. So in the event that it is doing an automatic patrol and it sends somebody in front of it, you will pause, wait for the person to pass, or if after waiting for a period of time, you will automatically pass around the person. So there are different features that you can implement and customize by yourself. So I think one more good feature about this is that you can automatically do patrols, preset patrols. So for example, you have an office that you want it to go around to ensure security. You can run it through the web page that we have created, and allow it to patrol the office anytime you want, as long as there's a
Yeah, so that having said, so I understand that some of us might be asking, what about privacy issues? Whereby maybe certain areas is out of bounds, I'm doing some R&D, I don't want others to know. It can be met through while we are doing the robot mapping on the patrol, on the blueprint itself, on the blueprint space itself. Once it's done through, it reach this area, it will have the privacy mode on itself, whereby you will not touch anything or zoom in or do anything to this safe area. You are able to map it through. Yeah. So maybe allow me to run through another aspect which we have always been sharing on the real-time monitoring and incident simulations itself. Right. So this is how it goes. Right. So as mentioned, we have the advanced VA. This is how it can work. So through this very screen, you are able to see the footages and do the virtual control and have all the VAs like that.
Gabkotech smart building experience. Step into the future of security facility.
AI detects an unauthorized person lingering in a restricted area.
The officer reviews footage and alerts on-site security. Security arrives and verifies that the person is an IT contractor without proper clearance. They are redirected to the reception for verification. The officer reviews the footage and notices the individual attempting to